Hey guys, it's Ben. Welcome back, I guess. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so I have a package. You know it. You know me and my package. Packages? Packages? Same thing. What's it called? So I ordered this from like forever ago. On May 12th. It's now August 21st, 22nd. I don't remember. I don't have anything to cut through this. Yes, I do. Thumbtacks. So I ordered something from Billie Eilish web store. It was Mother's Day when I ordered it, or it was like a thing for Mother's Day, I guess. But it was what's it called? That little CD where she sings vinyl, where she sings Hotline Bling, but like the cover version of it. Look at this. Ooh, Billie Eilish. Well, it's party favor, but like, there's two sides. You have party favor and Hotline Bling. Honestly, I think that's pretty cool. Time for like, pose for like a, what's it called? Thumbnail? Thumbtack. Oh, I have a little thing in my mouth. Oh, I can't believe I noticed that. Oh, no. I have a thumbnail. Okay, well, that's that. Let's open it, shall we? It's really small from what I expected it to be. Let me use thumbtack again. Trying to prick myself. Period. Ignore the background, you can hear it. Made in the Czech Republic. Apparently. So. I bought this for like $15. How does one open it? Ooh. Nothing inside. Plain white. It's pink. In pink goes with everything. Buy this though. Oh. It's pink. I took a picture. It's so pretty. I have to play it. I have to play it. I mean, obviously I'm gonna play it because I bought it, but like, it's really pretty. It's like a strawberry milk kind of for me. You know? Strawberry milk. Okay. Well, pretty much that's it. It's a 4-minute video. Watch it. Don't watch it. I love you. And stream Billie Eilish.